Nice one. So basically, I'm drinking green tea over the last couple of days, and I'm gonna have another green tea at the moment. So I'm just encouraging. So the green tea is got a lot of health benefit, and I always put the benefit in the description box. I just want you guys to know that the green tea can also control your blood pressure and your blood sugar. Also very good for the immune system, and also help to relax and help you with also sleep. You can get a good sleep also. So give the green tea a try. Got a lot of benefit. You can do your own research. And I'm using the organic green tea. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a lovely cup of green tea. Stay tuned. Nice one. So basically, I don't normally use honey. I try to drink it naturally. You can use honey or sweetener if you like to, but drink it naturally is best for me. Hot water. Normally do, I try to leave it in this for a few minutes and then I drink it. So guys, for more tips and more ideas, keep following Chef Ricardo, and trust me, can't go wrong. Stay tuned.